Hello YouTube, it is Elbviral over here. In this video I'll show you how you can install EDL drivers on your Windows machine. So if the drivers are not installed properly, it will show like this: Q, USB, bulk, etc. And it means that you will need to install the drivers in order to continue. I'm gonna put the link over here. Okay, so this is the link that you're gonna use in order to download. It is tinyurl.com/elbqual. And if the link doesn't work, I will update it each day on a video description. So make sure you check the video description if this link doesn't work, because I will always update it. Okay, so once you download it, you need to open it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna put them on my desktop so I can find them easier. As you see, you have two folders over here, Google and Qualcomm. What we're gonna need on this one is the one that says Qualcomm. Okay, now I'm gonna paste it on desktop, and here there are two folders I just copied. Now we need to click on the Q USB bulk driver, right click on it, and then click on update drivers, browse, and then tap again on browse, go to desktop where we have the folders, and you're gonna select the folder named Qualcomm, which we pasted earlier. Once you do that, click next, and after that this will show up. It is important to install the driver anyway. Okay, and then click close. As you see now, it is properly installed and showing as it is, and it can run on the softwares, and you can do the FRP on the EDL mode. I'm just gonna test it right now so you can see what I'm talking about. And as you see, everything is running smoothly, and the process is going through. My tablet, it is a P613. It is already on EDL mode. It is on bit 8, and the software called TSM Tool, it is reading the information, and it is proceeding with the FRP process. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Follow our channel for more FRP videos.